Hello and welcome to the NCG Truck Series uh, here at Riki Raceway. I'm here with Eric Monaco, Reggie Fogelman, Jonah Burridge. 23 laps here today. Last week's winner was Dark X Rain. Uh, Byron Biggie was banned for saying a racial slur. He was actually on probation prior for promoting underage drinking, but that was a couple years ago. But that's another issue for another day. Angie decided to sign up, and she ironically took that number that Byron Biggie had. Is not running the same paint scheme as running the Wendell Scott Foundation number 24. And Reggie Fogelman also making his debut in the 98. And then three-way tie for the pole. This will be Frank Chilton's second pole of the season in terms of points, but the game decided to award it to the 13 for some reason. Not sure why. I guess that's just as random as their qualify system in and of itself.
I think I think it was the numbers on the car.
Well, the lowest number would be Frank, who's starting third, and the highest number would be Gift Jordan, who's
It's
starting second.
probably who come across the line first, if you want to be technical.
Maybe.
Yeah.
It's possible. But either way, don't matter. All three of them do get the points for it. However, the better starting position will go to Brad Stover, the 13 car.
And who started the starting grid? On the pole is Brad Stover and the 42 of Jeff Jordan. Row 2 is Roach and Frank Chilton. Row 3 is Skylar Taylor and Byron Webb. Row 5 is the 40 of
Crazy BGD.
GBD and me. Row 6 is Hawk 13 and 98 of Reggie Fogelman. Which row? Row 5 or row 6? Or never mind. Row. Which one? Which row are we on so far?
I think it's row 7.
Yeah, row 7. Victor Nunez.
Nunez.
Nunez. And 24 of NG, a rookie. Or yeah. Okay. Row A is Dylan Matthews and the Daytona winner Dark X Rain. And the final row 9 is Zebel in the 15.
Alright. Getting engine
Seems
started
like
about
we're nearly getting ready for the start of the commands. In about 10 seconds. Now, let's start for the commands of Riki Raceway.
Start your engines!
Can't hear the never mind. They starting
15 trucks, fire engines as they head down to turn number 3. Anyone gonna do the start? How about Reggie does it since
I got it. Yeah,
Alright.
babe, I got it.
exit turn 4. Reggie, take it away.
Coming to the restart zone. Green, green, green.
They go into turn number 1. F. Jordan. Go. That's in behind Brad Stover as they exit turn number 2. Backstretch. It is all clean. Oh, big block there by
Oh,
Jordan.
baby.
Jordan there on the inside blocks the 66. And Jordan takes the lead. In turn number 3, out of turn 4. Roach right behind him. He may not like that. Lap number 1 to Jeff Jordan. The sticker goes up. Roach is passed there by Skylar Teller in the 45. Down the backstretch they go. Down the inside, that is the 40 car. Oh, here comes Tyler. Oh, blocks the 40 of Crazy BGB. And Skylar Taylor takes the lead. She will lead lap number 3. Oh, but BGG may say something that it was Taylor.
Because the
that lead the
51. Trying to make it 3.
Oh, the 51 of Hawk 13 in the mix there. Hawk 13 takes second from Tyler Taylor. Here, will he make a move down the inside, down the backstretch? Yes, he will. He will have help from the 19 car, or the 18 car right behind him. My mistake, I thought that was 19. Victor Nunez. So far, it's all shuffling, 2 by 2. We can complete lap number 3, on to lap number 4.
I think the bottom lane is way faster than the top.
Exactly. And plus more cars on the bottom as well. Right now, Victor Nunez and the 18 leads the way. Right behind him, that is Dylan Matthews. He's going to take the lead right now. Dylan Matthews have big effect on my channel at the Coca-Cola Super Speedway, but he's all good. He'll lead the lap, maybe. Yes, he will. There's Zavell who won the Daytona winner right behind him, I believe.
Yeah, Daytona winner was Dark X Rain right there in the 75.
Yeah. Well, I said 2 behind him, but anyway. And now the 98 of Reggie Fulgerman trying to take the lead. He will. Gambling race here. Where you want to be when the final lap happens. Here comes Dark X Rain for the lead.
Here comes NG on the bottom.
Oh, almost 4 wide. Yeah. Angie about moved Dark X Rain out of the way, but he's able to recover and come back down.
Jonah trying to go for second.
Oh, but blocked there by Angie.
Jonah to the lead.
Bridge to the lead right now, but it's up high. Oh, able to cover down the inside. Byron Webb in the 52. Or Brian Webb, my mistake. Weird spelling there. Anyway, oh, we're getting 3 wide for the third there as Brian Webb goes for the lead. 3 wide for third. Brad Stover on the inside. Dark X-Rain, the unlucky one on the outside, but they go 3 by 3. Angie as well, the unlucky one.
They're getting antsy right now. Holy moly.
Oh. About 4, almost 4 wide there, but Serville making the smart move, going, tucking the line in the middle there. Now goes to the inside. They're still 3 wide. Angie being the unlucky one. Shovel all the way back to the back.
I'm back.
He
What
completed
did I
lap
miss?
number 8.
They're getting antsy as crap. Just put it
Yeah.
that way.
There were 3
What
wide.
happened?
It was it's mostly been 2x2, but they were just 3 wide right there. Um, and
The
right
inside
now
lane.
is Taylor. Well, Taylor led the lap last time, but right now it's 51, I believe. 51, yep. And it's Hawk 13, but here comes Jeff Jordan back to lead again. With help of the 40 car, Crazy BGD.
Teammates.
Teammates helping each other out.
This banking. This this banking was really really almost up to half a like almost like high up like Talladega. If you compare it, you'll know the differences between Ricky Raceway and Talladega.
Yeah, but difference is Talladega's wider. This is
Yeah.
one wrong move and the whole packing turned into chaos. It's pretty
Ooh,
much
Jonah just
Oh.
smacked the wall. Turn 2.
That's the Ville in the
Owie.
wall right there, the 15. Bill Matthews on the inside. They take advantage of that. Oh, he goes up and blocks the 15, but right under him is the 18. He leaps lap number 1. Here comes Victor Nunez for the lead. Or sorry, lap number 11. Right now onto lap 12. He has the Daytona winner right behind him. If I'm
Daytona
Victor
winner,
Nunez, I
Dark
wouldn't
X
trust that
Rain.
75. He's won that Daytona. He may take another here at Riki Raceway. There he goes on the inside.
Highs and lows everywhere they go. It's always too wide at Ricky Raceway.
It's like a game of chess right here. Where you want to be when the final laps start. Lap number 12 complete. That is Dark X Rain. Here comes Angie down to the inside.
We almost 10 laps to go this time by.
10 laps to go next time by. Here, Angie leads the way for now. Here comes, I believe, Folgerman on the inside. The 98 car. Yes, it is Reggie Folgerman. Pushed by Maximilian Chilton. Or Frank Chilton, my bad.
Hey, that's his nickname.
His nickname's Raw Pace, but we'll see how that goes.
Anyway, 10 laps to go. Frank Chilton.
Hey, 2 names
right
for
now,
that.
Folgerman did lead that lap, but it's Chilton on the inside. Pushed by the 15, 52. Brian, we look at the back of the number 4 car.
We know that the 52 is the Toyota. Here comes the 99, gonna push on the 52. Of me.
You got your
Dano's truck pushing the 52 Elmore car. Truck. Ryan Webb to the lead right now. Here comes the 99 to the inside. 9 laps to go.
Teammates.
Mm-hmm.
99 and 98. I mean 30.
No, 13.
Oh.
On trouble.
That's over the pole sitter. Back to the lead. Well, you can count as the top 3 as the pole sitters who started this race. Skylar Teller back to the lead now. But they're about to get 3 wide? Maybe no. They're able to cover the bottom. from the 51 of Hawk 13. Make it to turn 4. Hawk 13 will lead lap number 16. Here comes Dylan Matthews again. With a push from Roach. Was, I believe, one of the guys who haven't led a lap yet out of this pack. But he's got Jeff Jordan right behind him in the 42. Jordan make a move here, or he will help Roach. It's very lap number 15, lap number 18.
With 5 to go, y'all want to make race picks right fast? Zach?
That's up to y'all.
We're asking for your pick.
I think Victor Nunez.
Jonah?
Victor Nunez and
Jonah.
oh, he's muted.
Eric, who you got?
All comes down to who's going to be there at the end, but if I have to choose, I believe the 24, she's been up there a lot of times than most drivers.
I'm gonna pick myself.
I'm gonna pick myself too. Meow.
Anyway, we go down the next stretch. We're on lap number 19. 4 laps to go this time by. NCG might pick the win. Is in the lead, but here comes the 18 of Nunez. Right down the bottom. 4 laps to go.
3 wide, nearly 3 wide.
Nearly 3 wide, but Dark X-Ray right down the bottom. Or moved by Nunez to block 75, who's won Daytona. Now looks to get another super speedway off the list. Right on with Dark X-Ray, right on the back of him. 3 laps to go this time by. Here comes Brian Webb to the inside.
The 52, looking for a win. And here comes the 98 of Reggie Fogelman.
Fogelman's gonna look right here.
Looks like it. Riki Raceways has a lot of passes between driver after driver after driver.
Stay down. There you go.
Who to go
2
this
laps
time
to
by?
go.
Teammates working together, Brad Stover and Jonah.
Frank Chilton right now going for the lead. Chilton takes the
Seems
lead
like
out
it'll
to
make
number 2.
history. 2 teammates from the Carsland Cup Series looking for
Brad Stover, the pole setter,
a win.
to the lead as we go to the white flag.
1 lap to go. And 1 lap to go.
Here comes Joe to the inside with push from Skylar Taylor. Taylor has a shot at this. Bridge to lead, but Skylar Taylor's right behind him. He might have a shot at this right now. Down the backstretch they go. Skylar Taylor looks to the inside.
I mean, he's trying to hold on the outside, but he didn't.
Eller takes the lead. He has Hawk 13 right behind him. Here they come out, turn 4 for the final time. Through the tri-oval. It's gonna be Skylar Taylor. Beats
Oh,
out. Beats out
hey,
Hawk
same
13.
position
3
from my
thousandths of a
rookie
second.
season.
Skylar Taylor wins at Riki Raceway here in the trucks. Beats out Hawk 13 by 3 thousandths of a second.
Riki Raceway, always branding fairly close finishes.
That was his. Made another top 3 finish, like from the last time that I raced here at the Carsland Cup Series. That is incredible.
Alright, well, one of the pole sitters did not win, so that's good for the standings shakeup. Any last thoughts?
Next race we'll be going for. Okay, race 3 will be going for the truck series. Is at Rockingham. For race 3 action to see what will happen at Rockingham. Not from Europe, but in America, which they call it North Carolina Speedway or The Rock.
Alright. Reggie, Eric, y'all got any last thoughts?
No, we don't.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, this is the NCG Truck Series from me, Eric Monaco, Jonah Burridge, Reggie Fogelman. We will see you next race at North Carolina.